is gonna suck. So what are we gonna do? I can attempt a full-on sprint. Oh, yeah, back up.
Do that. You want to run? Run. Maybe easier if you just leave your gun and just run. And the rest of it just
yeah, that's probably what I'm gonna end up doing. My gun wasn't on. Fuck. Alright, where's the guy on this left side?
We got problems!
We need help. Back up. Get over here. Get over here now.
Over here! Left side.
We got Snake. We got Snake.
Watch me.
We need to keep an eye on that flag. Woo!
Let me out!
Good. I'm hit. What the fuck was that? What the hell was that? What the fuck was that thing? Scared the shit out of me. That, I thought I was like, what is that thing? Oh crap! Did you throw